Hello everybody, I'm Mike Porter Jr. from United Mattress Machinery. We're here today in Northern Florida to show you a bunch of our new equipment. This is actually our showroom, and it's the only one of its kind in the world because it's a live showroom, a live production environment that's capable of making up to 700 mattresses per day. And we also have this facility as a center where we can invite customers. You can send your mattress samples, materials, and it's a testing R&D facility. So if you want to test out any of your products and our machines, we welcome customers to come here anytime. We'll meet you. We've hosted dozens of customers, so please contact myself or your sales rep, and we'll meet you here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please contact us for further information.
Hello, and welcome to United Mattress Machinery's showroom. At this factory, we have 3 of our heavy-duty tape edge machines. One of the biggest factors in these machines is it de-skills the labor when it comes to tape edging. Tape edging is one of the most skilled parts of mattress production. Now, this machine gives you the capability to train employees easier and also to lower your labor rate. This machine stitches, turns your corners on its own, and flips the mattress by itself. Our United tape edge machines are both capable of using FAF heads and any other head that you may be interested in. These machines can handle up to 400-pound mattresses, and also their production speed rates are far superior than most of the manual tape edge machines out there in the industry. So as you can see with our fully automated system, every part of the factory speaks with each other, and the tape edge will fill itself up once it's empty and the operator is ready for another mat. So one of the features on this machine is, as you can see, when it gets to the corner, we have a dual sensor, and it gives the operator the capability of making those corner stitches and turns perfectly. So right now what we're going to demonstrate is the 4-arm flipping system. Even though this mattress right here is using our 401 half capping system, which saves you a lot of time when production, the capability to flip the mattress and mattress up to 400 pounds, this will save your workforce their back, their labor, and keep them healthier long term.
The United BTF semi-automatic flange machine is a new and revolutionary machine that United has come out with. This machine is a belt-fed flange machine which takes the panels, feeds them through, and will automatically turn at every single corner automatically. This allows all corners to come out even and gives you a better quality panel across the board. It'll do twins all the way up to kings, California kings. The other great features is it also comes with the United 5000 flange machine that has the revolutionary new PTP, patented black parts technology. Now I'd like to show you more detail. All right, the operator is loading the panel. As she comes to the corner, the outside belt is going to reverse direction, turn the panel, gives you an exact 2.5-inch radius, which is the specification for mattress, and it'll automatically do it again at every single corner. Today, where we don't have as many operators available, you have to train people. This is a perfect training machine. You take an operator with little experience, it controls the speed of the throughput, it controls the speed of each corner. It totally de-skills the operation. Right here's our auto flange feed and cut system. It's the first in the industry. It'll actually feed 2 inches up to 10 inches of flange material. Once the operator is done flanging the panel, she'll activate the cutter. It'll cut the flange material, and then we'll automatically feed it up to the starting position. And the panel can be taken off the table all automatically. What's not shown here is we actually do have a feeding system that takes a stack of panels, it picks it, puts it on a table, it feeds it down here. So if she was ready for the next panel, she would hit a button and it would feed it right to her. And then she would flange it. And then when she's done, like you saw it leaving the table, it would actually be picked and put back into a stack again. So you got one operator that's basically managing this whole area right from the quilter. It's a great piece of equipment. The next machine we want to discuss is the JPT 1200 ruffler machine. Our machine is designed to simplify the ruffler operation. Some of the key features that we have added to the machine is we have a direct drive motor, so we don't have a motor underneath that gives you problems communicating with the whole PLC operation. So it's easy control. The other key features is the ruffling ability that we can do 1, 2, up to 4 ruffles per corner. The JPT 1200 has a unique feeding system from the top that monitors the border, how much border is being fed, and gives the operator the slack so it can do the ruffling operation. As I had mentioned, we have a servo motor that drives the ruffle blade. We have a servo motor that drives the sewing head. So there's nothing underneath the machine. You can program it to do 1, 2, or 4 ruffles per corner. Most people use 2 on one corner, and as they turn the corner, they do another 2. Gives you the perfect pleating scenario. Machine runs at 4,000 RPMs. It's chain stitch. It's got a built-in puller in the back, which most companies have a separate puller. Ours is built right into the sewing head, this wheel back here. It's a great piece of equipment. Next machine we're going to go to is the UM2000A. It's the United Border Serger machine using a left and a right-handed sewing head. The whole idea of a left and right-handed sewing head is allow you to feed into the next operation, either feeding a border measure cut system or another decorative border unit that is supplied by United Mattress Machinery. The key features of this machine is we have direct drive motors, so there's no motor underneath with belts and different things that can go wrong. It's direct drive right off the hand wheel. We have auto foot lift. Everything is electronic. Very, very simple to use. This machine is the Faux pillow top system. So it does a continental top, or what they might call a Euro top, where you're not doing any of the pillow top look or the ruffler or the pleating in the corners. It's just a flat operation to give you that European look. Very, very simple to operate, very low on maintenance.
This is our United Mattress Machinery 4-station packaging solution. This machine has the capacity to do your standard packaging, foundation, standard roll packing, and folded roll packing. This is an all-in-one solution for your packaging needs. Our machines come standard with Turkish, English, and Spanish languages. You picked your language. It's a very easy to use, user-friendly screen that's not complicated. Right here you see height active. This means your standard packaging. Pressure active means your roll packing and full press. This is when the press pushes down on the mattress. You activate your roll pack, and as you can see the big red square, when you click this, that's a folded roll pack. Very easy, very user-friendly, and you can adjust your mattress diameter by touchscreen. The 4-station packaging solution gives you the capacity to put 4 mattresses in the machine in sequence. What this does is it saves you more time. When section 1 is packaging the front and the back of your mattress and measuring the size of it, section 2 is holding it in place, section 3 is pressing the mattress down and sealing the sides, and then section 4 is flipping and feeding it into your roll packing system. This is our packaging entry system. As you're gonna see from the side arms, this centers your mattress and also measures the width of the mattress, and also it measures the height from the other section. What sets this machine apart and the entry section is we're able to hold 8 rolls on top and 4 rolls on the bottom of the machine. So we use a 60-ton press with dual ribbon technology, meaning that each seal has dual seals on it. Besides that, one of the unique features of this machine is the seal bar cooling system. What this does is it ensures all of your seals are equal and you always get that perfect airtight seal. As you can see, the stretcher measures the size of the bed and it moves accordingly.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Please contact us for further information.